first thing you need to do is install Python. Go to the page in the description, scroll down, and then hit install. Then you need to install another module using the command prompt. Open up the command prompt using the Windows key plus R and then type in cmd and enter. Then in the command prompt you just need to type pip install bitstring. Then you need to download tools shown here and linked in the description. In there, you'll see a file called levelextractor.bat, a levelpacker.bat file, and a Kirby plugin.py file. Drag a Kirby ROM over the extractor and wait until it's done. Then drag the Kirby plugin file into the Blender scripting tab and hit run. Monitor your level, hit export over the stage you want, and then drag the ROM over levelpacker.bat and your level should be in Kirby now. Now what I have in the background is footage of my first level running on an N64. As you can see, it's working much better than before. There are no collision issues, there are custom textures, smooth cameras, and enemies placed wherever I want. There are still more updates to come in the future, but I have the tool working in a great place and plan to work mostly on making a full hack now. Thanks for watching.